Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive house sales dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, the key insights include total sales by month using clustered column chart. If we need to filter based on months by it's November, February 5. Okay, here we can see now I filtered this chart based on date from 5/7/2014 to 2/5/2015. The total sales in June is 2080. And next, scatter chart to display square feet living and price. Choose the square feet living and price. Here let us filter based on price. By see the price, square feet living, and the price. And here we can see the average price. For this, I used a map. Average price. You can see the latitude and longitude and average of price. Next, box plot to display average price by total bedrooms. Here I used a parameter. Here I will select bedrooms. Total number of bedrooms, I prefer 2. Yes, you can see here I don't need this. Here we can see the average price as well as the price of bedrooms, 2 bedrooms. And I used 4 cards to display total number of bedrooms, which are 73,000. Total square footage of living area, 84 million. Total number of bathrooms, 44k. Average price, it's for displaying the average price. Even it's a parameter where you can see floors, views, year build. Let us click on floors. You can see the number of floors is 1. Yes, here you can see for April the sales is 1091. And this is how my dashboard works, and that's all about my dashboard. Thank you.